Hello guys, my name is John Francis D. Maligalig and today we're going to answer the 5 questions for our ethics. So the first question that we have here is, what are the marks of reality and Buddhism? Nung binasa ko yung PDF file na sinansamin ni Sir, yung nabasa ko na reality marks of Buddhism are suffering or paghihirap. Sunod ay change, pagbabago, and no permanent identity. The second question that we have here is, what are the truths according to Buddhist ethics? So, nung nabasa ko din yung files na yon, saktong-sakto na nakita ko agad yung 4 na noble truths and the Buddhist ethics. The first is, life has inevitable suffering. There is a cause to our suffering. Third is, there is an end to suffering. And the fourth one is, the end to suffering is contained in the eightfold path. So, it's all about the suffering talaga. So, sa paghihirap. At sabi niya talaga doon is, may paghihirap or sorrow sa atin. So, the third question is, suffering a truth according to Buddhism? To answer that, yes. Kasi according to Buddha, that once you were born in this world, you will experience agad ang sorrow, dissatisfaction, kasi expected na yon throughout the life that you will have is you will experience the sorrow. So, it is really existing talaga. So, the fourth question that we have here is, how to alleviate suffering? So, paano mo ba matatapos itong suffering? So, for me kasi, nung nabasa ko yung file, there are 3 words or 3 phrase na nilagay ko agad dito sa aking notes. So, first is the inner peace. Kailangan mong hanapin yung inner peace para matapos yung suffering. Second is acceptance. Pagtanggap talaga yung pinakang kailangan mo upang matapos yung paghihirap. Kunwari, in this life, parang feeling mo ang unfair ng mundo. So, you just need to accept the fact na sadyang may mga tao na mas nakakaangat, pero dapat we have the positive mindset na dadating din yung araw na yung atin naman. And the last phrase that I have here is concentrate for what is present. Mag-concentrate ka lang kung sa ano yung meron ngayon and isipin mo kung ano merong bukas. Huwag ka nang bumalik sa past na mahirap ako dati, so hanggang ngayon mahirap pa rin ako. So concentrate on what is present now and prepare for what is in the future. And the fifth question that we have here is, what is karma? According to Buddhism. In Buddhism, karma is referring to the law of cause and effect. So ito is yung idea na sinasabi natin ng consequences. So, pag mga gantong bagay, actually, what is the cause or what are the effects? So, cause, kunwari, gumawa ka ng mabuti. So, ang good karma mo is mabuti din. Pero pag gumawa ka ng masama sa tao, ang bad karma ang babalik sa'yo. So, cause and effect lang talaga siya for the Buddhism. So, that is all guys. Thank you.